How you doing, Todd Uminski? Just got out of the gym, thinking about effort and the talent that people waste and what they don't have. Thinking about how much you put in every day, and is it really everything you got? I'll tell you, I look at the things I do, and I work hard and persist in everything I do, but some days I know I could put more. You can definitely put more. Take a look back at the day that you just had today. See what you did towards your goals, towards your family, towards your future, towards your business, towards your workouts. Did you really put the effort in? Could you have put that 10% more, 20% more, 50% more? Were you being lazy? You got to put that effort in. You know, sometimes you just got to think, start your day off right. Think about how to increase that effort. Whatever you're doing during the day, you need to push even harder. You want to hit that next goal. You want to hit that body weight that you want. You want to hit that, be that better father, be that better mother, be that better person in life. Well, how are you going to do it? It doesn't just come naturally. All these things aren't natural. You need to push. You need to read books, listen to videos, write down your goals and dreams and how you're going to push through and make it better. So please comment below, hit like and subscribe. I'd like to know how you guys like these videos. You know, I'm just out there trying to help others. That's one of my goals in life. I want to reach millions of people and help them. I want to get people to don't be so complacent in life. You can't just sit around. You can't just play video games. Don't let life pass you by. You know, if you feel like you're got something to contribute, be a bigger part of what's out there, then work at it. Work hard at it. Work harder than you think you're already working hard at it. I know I work hard. Well, guess what? It's not hard enough. I got to put that extra 10% in, that extra 100% in. Some days you're tired. Got to push through. Got to grind. So once again, hit like, subscribe, share this video. Talk to you soon.